Take me on a ride through the night.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mototzigane. I'm on my way to my college. I'm late as usual. Uh, a not so random vlog where I reveal a lot of legit things. First things first, if you have known me for some time now, you do know I had issues with my audio. My Xiaomi Yi doesn't support an external microphone, and so the internal microphone on a Xiaomi Yi doesn't really catch enough data when it comes to audio, while the video quality was amazing. So I tried a lot of things. The only feasible option left out was to either buy a GoPro Hero 4, 5 or 6 or Xiaomi Yi 4K Plus, which supports an external microphone. And I also had plans to record audio through phone separately and then sync it during editing, but that's going to be a headache. And things came together. I've had a SD cam SD7 Star for some time now. I didn't buy it. Thanks to Mr. Sleepy Rider for letting me have the SD7 Star for some time. And that thing supports an external microphone, but I didn't get an external microphone. Mr. Sleepy Rider was busy so that he couldn't get it to me. Mojo Shift had an external microphone from SD cam lying around in his house. It's nearly been 10 days since I asked him and he still couldn't get me. Busy people. So I was testing the SD7 Star without the external microphone, like with inbuilt audio. I have to say I am not really impressed. My Xiaomi Yi has better video quality compared to SD7 Star. That's what I felt at least. And then talking about the audio, SD7 Star supports an external microphone, but since I didn't have an external microphone, I started recording with the stock SD cam. And to be honest, the stock SD7 Star's built-in microphone is pretty useless. It doesn't really record any information. So I was wondering what's going to happen without an external microphone. Then I received a notification from Xiaomi. It said I have a firmware update to do for the Xiaomi Yi. So I downloaded it, installed it. I don't know what magic they did, but the audio quality on my camera is so much better now. I think I can vlog around in the city without any issues. Let me give some introduction about myself. I'm Mototzigane. I study engineering and I ride a Yamaha FZ16. It's not stock by any means. I have plans to modify this bike in 3 stages. Stage 1 will of course be the engine mod. Stage 2 will be related to carbureted, exhaust and air intake mods. Stage 3 will be sprockets, gearing and the gearbox. So I'm done with the stage 1 mods. Now I'm running on a 66mm aluminum pistons. I also have a higher lift can so that I can take more air and fuel. So this is not a normal FZ by any means. I'll be putting some drag race videos with a lot of other bikes to show how fast this FZ is. I think it's probably faster than an R15 to 100 at least. But since the gearing is stock, the top speed hasn't really changed. And with sprocket mods, I think I can achieve more top speed or better cruising speed, or have even more insane city accelerations. Not sure what I'm gonna do, but I'll think about it later because that's a stage 3 mod. I still have to do changes to my carburetors, get bigger jets. Talking about what I study mechanical engineering 3rd year in SJBIT. So my exams are coming up. It's going to be spread across next 2 months. Like next 6 to 7 weeks will be my exams. So I should be preparing myself to there. This is probably the last vlog I'll be recording before my exams. I'll upload this. And I'm not going to shoot any videos, but there's gonna be uploads. If you have known me for some time now, you do know we had been to a Goa and Dandeli trip for 4 days. So those vlogs are ready. It's going to be 5 videos, 1 teaser, 2 videos from Goa and 2 videos from Dandeli. They're all amazing. The one I like the most is the last one, Dandeli vlog. It's all amazing, so hold on. While I study to my exams, this will be catering you for your entertainment. Thanks for watching.
Bye.